Hi guys, welcome to this video. My name's Adam. I have my own channel, Hair System DIY. I'm a Newlacecu hair system wearer. They're currently offering 20% off your first system with them. When you place your order, just enter Newlacecu20 in the coupon code box when you're placing your order. They also offer a cut-in service, which is super helpful during coronavirus when you can't visit your stylist, your normal salon. You can get it done. Newlacecu will do it for you for an extra $19. I think that's a really good deal. Usually most stylists are charging over £100 for this. So $19 I think is a really good deal and I highly recommend it. Just go onto their website, place your order, then you can select the option to basically have it cut in. Newlacecu will get in touch with you, ask for your requirements, and basically cut it, style it, do anything you want. So I really do encourage that. So what is a hair system? A hair system is basically a wig or a toupee. It's often worn by people who suffer from male pattern baldness, female pattern baldness, alopecia, trichotillomania, which is what I suffer from, which is effectively a hair pulling syndrome. And it's quite often preferred by sufferers of sort of hair loss syndromes because they're fairly easy to maintain. You can basically choose the density you want. You can choose the color. You can choose what base you want. You can change it every 3 to 6 months if you don't like the previous one. These are some of the great things about having a hair system. You can literally have whatever style you want. You can't get that with a hair transplant. Quite often with a hair transplant, the hair ends up being wispy, it ends up being thin. You often need several hair transplants to get the desired look. It can cost you 30 to 40 to 50,000 pounds. That's like $80,000. Whereas with a hair system, over the course of maybe 30 to 40 years, it works out quite a lot cheaper. And to be frank, it looks a lot better as well. I've actually got one here, which is from Newlacecu. This is going to be my next system. So as you can see, it's a sort of polyurethane base, which has a really natural feel to it. It's quite strong as well. You can pull it a little bit and it's quite sturdy. As you can see, the color is sort of what I'm looking for as well. And at the front, it has what's called a lace base. So that gives it a really natural frontal look, which is what I like. I like to have my hair up. I like to have it in a quiff. So having a lace frontal just seems to give that really, really natural look. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope this has explained to you a bit more about what a hair system is, who tends to wear them, and why people wear them. And if you have any comments or questions, please drop them in the comments box below. I've been a hair system wearer with Newlacecu for about a year now, and all of the systems that I've got with them are absolutely top quality. The customer service is fantastic. The shipping is always fast. It's quicker than any other hair system company I've ever used. So I do highly recommend them. Check out their website, Newlacecu. And don't forget that 20% discount as well. Newlacecu20, capital N. I highly encourage you to go for it. Till next time, bye for now.